Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a 10 to 15 minutes quick glam makeup transformation video for you guys. If you're ever in a rush and you don't have enough time but you still want to achieve a beautiful glam look, then this video is for you. I've done videos like this in the past and you guys have loved it, so I thought why not do another one with some new products that I've been loving. So if you guys are interested in seeing me create this beautiful glam makeup look in under 10 to 15 minutes, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize, and I have here the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I got this as a sample from Sephora and honestly I really like it. It feels really nice on the face. It's nice and moisturizing and hydrating. It's not too heavy. I really like the feel of this. Next up, I'm going in with primer. This is the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. I've actually never used this primer before, so this will be my first time. Concentrating this on my T-zone, but I will also just kind of blend it out onto the rest of the face. And for some extra hydration, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. If you guys watch my regular tutorials, you'll notice that I'm skipping a lot of base routine steps that I typically do, and usually when I'm in a rush and I only have 10 to 15 minutes, I will skip steps and just do things that I think are crucial. So next up, I'm going to color correct. If I'm honest with you guys, sometimes I will completely skip color correcting as well if I don't have enough time, but for the sake of the video, we are going to push through and I'm going to quickly color correct. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Color Corrector in medium 2. I basically add this color corrector onto areas where I have hyperpigmentation or acne scarring, just to basically perfect my imperfections. Next up, I'm going in to my base product and I'm going in with a skin tint. This is the new Wet n Wild Niacinamide Skin Tint. I absolutely love this stuff, you guys. Alright, base is done. Next up, I want to contour, and I'll be going in with my favorite cream contour, and that is the Huda Beauty Tantour. I'm also just going to contour the nose, and it's okay if it's not perfect because I will carve it out with concealer. Just for now, I'm adding the shadow onto the nose. Next up, I'm going in with some cream blush, and I usually will just grab whatever is on hand when I'm in a rush, and at the moment, I have the new LYS cream blush sticks, and this is in the shade Curvy. I did recently do a review of this product, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I absolutely love how creamy this blush is, you guys. Like really, it's just so easy to work with. Definitely one of my current favorites. Next up, I want to conceal the face and add some brightness, clean up the blush and the contour. So I'm just adding my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to blend all this out and then we'll set it in place with some setting powder. And just making sure to carve out my nose with the concealer. With whatever product is on my sponge, I'm also just going to clean up the cheeks and just setting the concealer with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm just going to clean up the cheeks a little bit more with the setting powder. I let the setting powder sit for about 40 seconds and now I'm going to take my brush and wipe away the setting powder. I'm gonna use whatever excess powder I have to just set the rest of my face, so like my cheeks as well as my lids. Grabbing my Ace Beauty Glow Essentials palette, I want to grab some highlight. I think I want to go in with the shade Glowing, and I'm just gonna highlight the face. Add some on the Cupid's bow as well as the nose. I like to add some on the bridge as well as the tip. I'm going to quickly do my brows, and I'm using the Benefit Give Me Brow just to brush through the brows with this. This stuff is so quick and easy. Definitely my favorite brow product. Alright, we need to do something with the eyes, and because we're going for a glam look, I need to add some sort of sparkle and glow to the eyes. I need to make it seem like I tried even though I didn't. Usually my go-to in these situations is going going in with an eyeshadow stick, but today I want to try something different. I recently discovered this metallic eye sparkle in my collection. This is by the brand Girlactik. It's in the shade Glam, so let's go in with this sparkle. It's like a liquid sparkle, so what I'm gonna do first is add this on the lids, and then I'm gonna blend it out, and then we'll clean it up with some bronzer on the lids. I'm just gonna go directly with my finger, and I'm gonna focus on blending this all over the lid. I find this stuff really takes a second to pop. You just gotta keep blending it onto the lid. All right, glitter is on the eyes. What I really love about this product is that it dries really fast and the shimmer stays in place. Like, that is key. I didn't even really prep my lids. I just set them with some setting powder. So this stuff is really good when you're in a rush. The eyes are not done though. The edges look really messy. So I'm going in with some bronzer. You just want to go in with any neutral color. So I'm grabbing the Shades by Shan bronzer on a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges with this. You can instantly see it looks a lot more cleaner and more effortless. This side we're gonna do next. I absolutely love how the eyes are looking. The last thing I need to do is just add some mascara and they're done. Then we're gonna do the lips, and then the look is complete. So for mascara, I'm quickly gonna pop on the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. All right, eyes are done, and the reason why I love the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow is that you get an instant lash look. If you're in a rush and you don't have time to sit there and nicely coat your lashes, definitely use this product because you will instantly get lashes on, and you don't need too much product or you don't need too much time to get a nice lash look. So I love this when I'm in a rush. I'm taking the highlight that I applied on my face and I'm just adding it to the inner corners. The very last thing I have to do is my lips, so I'm going in with some lip liner. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Chestnut. For lipstick, I'm going in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Parchment. The very last thing I'm going to do is set my face in place with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Water and Green Tea one. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's Glam Makeup Transformation tutorial in under 10 to 15 minutes. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys because honestly, this has been my reality. I feel like I've said this time and time again ever since I got married, and just with the world kind of going back to normal from COVID, I feel like life is just really busy now and I don't have a lot of time to get ready. So this is typically what I do when I'm in a rush and I'm getting ready for a special occasion or an outing. Videos like this are definitely the most realistic when it comes to makeup routines that I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful. All of the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!